Good morning, YouTube. Hi. This is Rose, and this is my show pertaining to Rose. It's a nice sunny day out here. It's a little chilly yet. I've worked third shift this week, so I'm going to be going on third shift permanently. So it's kind of hard. Sorry if you can't see me right. I got a new show today, and I'm going to be going over my journals, but this time I got something different started. So today I started working on, actually last night, I started working on my goal journal. Got to get the goals done. 2020 goals, I got a ton of them, and I just wanted to show you where I'm off to them. First, I want to give a shout out to another YouTuber that I've been watching. It's been a long time since I worked on my goals, so I wanted to kind of get an update, see what everybody else was doing. I did take some of his advice. He has great advice. His name is Clark Kegley. His name is Clark. He kind of has that Superman hairdo going on, too. Great guy. Love watching his show. He was a lot of fun to watch, and wow. He has some impressive journals. You guys would really be impressed. Definitely go check him out, Clark Kegley. And his last name is spelled Kegley. So check him out. You'll definitely get a lot of good information out of him. But I wanted to go over, now my inside, very front page of mine is flowers and birds, of course. That's what I like, flowers and birds. But I wanted to do, something a little different. And I kind of put up there, that's my little pantry there. Not my pantry, but one that I would like to have. And above it I wrote, organize my life. This is my success journal for 2020. And we just all want to get this done, because I'll tell you what, I've written down goals years and years ago. And I'd pull them out and go through, I had those big old tablets, that had like 5 different sections in them. And I'd write all kinds of stuff in them. Almost every single one of those goals got fulfilled somehow. There was a few that didn't, but a lot of them did. So you definitely want to go and, even if you're just writing them down, get it down on paper, remember the vision, write down that vision, and then you want to try and work towards it. Even if you start out by doing, small goals and stepping your way up, okay, we're going to start the little one, then go to the next one, just keep going till you hit that big goal. It's really, really easy. It takes a while. It definitely did. I have on here, I put down 250,000 watch minutes from my YouTube show, because I did my YouTube goals in here. And 250,000 watch minutes is the 4,000 watch hours that I need to do in a year in order to get paid by Google AdSense. So I definitely wrote that down, so that's one of my goals, guys. And I also wrote my amazing transformation, because I have a feeling these goals are going to transform me. I have a big, big feeling. I have a really good feeling. And of course I bought some stickers. I went out and bought some journal supplies. My supplies were getting low, and I definitely wanted to get some new stuff. And Walmart had these great stickers. Well, they had butterflies. Butterflies mean new beginning. So I got my little butterfly sticker down there, and I know my first page don't have much on it yet, but I have a whole bunch of goals listed. I've been working hard, guys. So my YouTube channel started on the 10th of January, so that was when I first started this. So 10 days in, that's a pretty good start for the whole year. I'm quite happy with that. So to go over some of my YouTube goals, and you can see I have a whole bunch of them. So, of course, first one is grow my YouTube channel. Gotta do that, guys. Gotta get something out there. And I want to have 1 million YouTube impressions. For those people who don't know what impressions are, I think it's when you get all the clicks of likes, you know, and the click-through rates of going through your playlist and everything. I'm not quite sure. I have to go study more YouTube channels. These guys are really informative. I'm telling you, you can learn anything on YouTube. I love it. I also want to have 10,000 or more subscribers. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Hit the share button. Comment below. That's why I always say that. You know, I kind of like edge you on. I'd like every video to get 1,000 likes. That would be really cool. I'd be really excited with that. You have to be on YouTube, watching it on YouTube to hit that like button. If you hit it on Facebook, it doesn't count on YouTube. But thank you anyway. I truly appreciate all your likes. Someday, I want to have 1 million. I want the 1 million subscriber play button. That thing's pretty cool. I want to hang that on my wall. I want to make $100,000 this year with combined income and YouTube income. Just kind of like put it all together. That would be awesome. And I know some of these goals, if I don't hit them this year, I'll still be working on them next year. I'll add them right onto my next year's list. So I want to start my own webpage, and I want to be a guest or appear on the Sid Roth Show. It's supernatural. That's one of my big goals. I would love to do that. I would like to go to live training events for influencers. You know, I want to try and get whatever training I can. I don't have much time to educate myself, but I really try to educate myself. So that would be a big one for me. I want to learn editing and be an expert at it. That's a good goal to have, because you need to do that if you have a YouTube channel, and I don't know how to edit yet. I got lots of stuff to learn. Oh, let me see. I want to start a video production company someday, so I have to learn this stuff. This is, you know, on my goal list. I have to learn it now. I want to work full-time from home. That's always been a dream goal of mine. I want to be an expert at content and commentary. Coming up with content and doing your outline and creating all the commentary is not as easy as what it sounds. And like as I was telling a friend earlier, I just can't wing it. I'm not one of those people. I can't do it. I'm too scattered. I go all over the place. Oh, let me see. I want to read a couple more to you. I want to develop better communication skills. I need to know how to articulate better. I'm from Pennsylvania, guys. Give me a break. Don't laugh at me. I want to start a second channel. I'm still discussing that one. I have no clue where that one's going. I have no idea what I'm going to do with that yet. 4,000 watch hours before 2021. I would like to see that happen. That's 250,000 watch minutes. I'm watching my watch minutes. Once you get a YouTube show and you start doing this, you'll understand what that all means. I need to come up with hooks to get people to watch my show to the end. I don't know why they get 7, 8, 9 minutes in. I'm trying not to make them too long. I promise you I'm not. I'm watching my time. But yeah, I need to get hooks to get them to watch it to the end. Follow me to the end, guys. I want to get sponsors and do brands. Get Google ads on my videos. Design a logo and branding. That's important. Of course, I said 1,000 likes per video. And I want to work about 5 hours a day, you know, on my stuff from my videos. I don't want to spend 12, 13 hours a day. I need some time. I need to wash my clothes. Look at me, I work third shift. Look, I look like a crazy person right now. I got my little do-rag on. My hair's all bunned up. My funky little glasses are on. I'm down here in my, I don't know what she is, my little Tinkerbell shirt here. I'm wearing my hoodie. I also have my spiritual goals. And of course, you know, I gotta have spiritual goals. That's a big one for me. You know, I want to have a deeper and more meaningful life with Jesus. And I'm not going to read all these to you because I got a lot of them. I also have a page that says business goals. I got a ton of business goals and personal goals. I'm working on all them. I'd like to do photo shoots someday, you know, personal and for organizations. Maybe even for a magazine someday. You never know where it's going to go. Somebody's going to want to see an old person like me on here, right? I'm on YouTube. What the heck? Come on, Jesus. I just want to see some of my dreams, you know, come to fruition. I might have had some of these since I was a kid. That's too funny. I want to model myself after successful people. You know, I really want to get my life more organized and really dream big. And, you know, I want to get a life coach. I definitely do. By the way, I have another shout out to Amanda Wallace. Yay. Hi, Amanda. She came up with a great idea for me. I put it on my goals. I don't know where it's going yet because I'm not quite sure. I don't know if I know how. But she said start a blog. Idea from Amanda Wallace. You're a great girl. She says I can link advertisements to my website, which could bring in residual income every time someone clicks on an ad. That was an awesome idea. I gotta get my website done first. I really need to get stuff done, Jesus. My goodness. Oh, I want to take speaking classes. You know, I want to be able to speak in front of people. You know, I want to be able to go up on a stage and do a speaking, I don't know, to 5,000 people. It don't have to be huge. I'm not looking for, 5,000 is pretty big. I think 20 people would probably scare me, but I would get up there and try. I need to practice more daily gratitude. I am so thankful for all of this, and I'm so thankful for all of you. These are just some of mine. I definitely want a vacation in Israel for at least 2 weeks. That's a big one. You know, I got to do minor goals to reach up to that. Like, I still got to get my passport and my real ID. You need a real ID now to fly somewhere. I want to go to a Tony Robbins event. That would be so much fun. I would love to do that. And I want to take some life coaching classes. I think I need them. But that would be awesome to do some life coaching on the side. I need more education. I need to educate myself more. And then I have financial goals. Yep. 1 month, some month, any month. I would like to make $10,000 in 1 month. Oh my goodness, I would celebrate. And put it on YouTube, but I'm going to celebrate even my small goals. I definitely am. But I had to have some really big goals in here to see where this was going. I want to start saving 37% for my income taxes and 20% for my regular taxes, like my real estate and property taxes, school taxes, all that fun stuff that nobody likes to pay, but they have to. I want to put 20% back in savings in a savings plan of some kind, although I'm pretty good at saving money. I don't like to spend it too often. Although I think I need some new clothes, look at me, and some makeup maybe, and earrings. A new hairdo. I want to tithe 10% of all my income. I always try and keep up with my tithes. I think it's very, very important. I think it keeps you in good standing. And, it always comes back and blesses you. One way or another, it always comes back and blesses you. And I want to give an extra percentage. I'm not quite sure what that percentage is. I'm still thinking about it. Give it to where it's needed. Charities or church or wherever, that it's needed the most, things. I could put it towards building that wall. We need to get the wall done. Gold charities. I have down here is a thing called Women's Resource Center in Bradenton, Florida. I'm going to start donating clothes and jewelry and belts and shoes or whatever. I'm going to start, you know, and then what they do with these clothes that you donate, they let the girls that go through their program, you know, they help do up their, I can't think of the word right now. Oh my, this is bad. See, I need to write things down in order to do these shows. You know, they help them get jobs, and they help them apply for different things, and they, you know, just do all kinds of stuff. They have different classes. I'd like to do a class sometime. That's one of my goals. I want to create a better life class. You know, just throw one here and there together, and maybe a little retreat somewhere. That would be so much fun. I would just enjoy that. I'd have to gather together some people that know some other stuff, so you're not just listening to me all weekend. But the Women's Resource Center is out of Bradenton, Florida, and they also have a branch in Sarasota, and they do amazing work with these girls. So I'm definitely going to start donating there. Me and my mom have both decided to start donating there. And hopefully that'll get stuff moving. But I'm not going to keep you much longer here. I'll give you some quick shows. I also did a page of notes, you know, and I made it a little colorful. Because I know time's getting where it's running down pretty fast. So, and I did another one. I don't know what all you can see there. And then I started my little mini goals check-offs. You know, my subscribers. I'm up to 25. But one last quick thing, and then I'll let you all go. I'm hoping you all do journals and do some really great goals. I would love to see them. Definitely get them out to me. I want to see what they are. Put something in the comments down below. I want to see what your goals are. So this is my Roses Everything Journal, 2020 and beyond. So this is a great little, it's what it is actually, it's a sketchbook. This is awesome. So that Clark Kegley, this is what he uses for his journal. So he can draw, he can graph, he can do all kinds of stuff in it. And, you know, I bought this fancy duct tape to tape my little sign on and put a little border there. It says workout on it. But anyways, I want to start something new, and I'm going to keep you up to tabs with what all I put in it. I hope I surprise myself as much as I'm going to surprise you. But anyways, don't forget, like this video. You knew I was going to say it. I need my 1,000 likes. Please comment below. Tell me what you are planning for 2020. I want to hear your thoughts. Share this video. And definitely subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. Hit the little all at the top, so you get all my videos. I thank you and I appreciate you guys. God bless. Love you. Bye.